Hey guys, and it's time to talk about the all-in-one divine Galaxy. One that has it all you ever wanted on one Samsung phone. That'll 13 megapixel with f1.9 aperture with the Beyond 2 model, aka the S10 Plus model, the only one to have an optical zoom lens as well, making it the most complete camera setup on the finger scanner, and possibly a S Pen will make it a divine Galaxy. And it doesn't stop on that. We actually have a news for the first time on the state of bezel for the S10 family. Twitter leaks their eyes to news tweeted out saying that the Galaxy S10 screen to body ratio will be greatly improved. No mention on how much it will be reduced, but I'm calling it in terms of the internal power. The heart that runs the divine Galaxy will be the Exynos 9820, and this will also going to be inside all of the Galaxy S10 models. It is expected to be clocked at 3.3 GHz with Meli G76 GPU, which is going to be the first phone to have the latest 7nm architecture, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU or Exynos 9820 depending on the market, and both of these two processors are based on 7nm process to bring the ultimate performance with clock speeds up to 3.3 GHz, 10% faster performance, and about 40% power efficiency compared to the current Gen 10nm processor. Next up, we have 5 cameras. Do you ever dream of a phone which has optical zoom, wide-angle lens, and portrait mode lens system all in one camera tech? Well, that dream is about to become a reality thanks to the Galaxy S10 Plus model. Samsung is looking to implement 3 cameras on the back of the S10 Plus with one main variable aperture camera sensor with a secondary optical zoom sensor and a third 16 megapixel f1.9 wide-angle lens. There will also be 2 front cameras exclusive to the S10 Plus model to give you the best depth effect selfies and wide-angle selfies. The other 2 S10 models both will rock dual cameras with wide-angle lenses but no optical zoom. So Samsung is pretty much cashing hard on the wide-angle train, but the S10 Plus will have the complete camera system that you want on a phone is coming with the S10 Plus. There's not a single phone out there that gives you optical zoom and wide-angle lens in one package. This is definitely going to be a major game changer. At number 9, we have 5G speeds. The Galaxy S10 will be one of the first smartphones to be 5G ready. It will be using Qualcomm's X50 modem with up to 5 gigabits per second download speeds. It's pretty much confirmed, and Qualcomm seems to be super excited to work with Samsung for their Snapdragon 855 CPU. Still going to be inside the Galaxy S10 combined with that new X50 modem. So 5G will going to bring the best speeds possible for the Galaxy S10. Officially announced that it has successfully developed the industry's first 10nm based 8GB LPDDR5 DRAM. This will set the stage for introducing 5G network and artificial intelligence powered mobile application. It's said to be 1.5 times faster than DDR4X RAM, and it will be made available in 2 bandwidths, 6400 MB per second / 5500 MB per second, making it the most versatile mobile memory solution for next generation smartphones and automotive system. Fingerprint. It's further mentioned that this type of sensor can be moved to the side of the phone, meaning the Galaxy S10 Lite, the base model, will probably going to have a fingerprint scanner on the side, whereas the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus will have it inside the display for the first time on it, and that's why they started working on their own powerful unbreakable solution. Also, a Samsung patent shows how the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on Galaxy S10 will work, and it pretty much confirms one of the most major Galaxy S10 news. We have 2 smartphone designs. The Galaxy S10 is expected to rock an amazing high-quality bezel-less display. It will have the biggest design change since the Galaxy S8. Samsung is looking to reduce bezels, particularly removing the chin completely by applying a curved OLED panel. Samsung is expected to reduce bezels, particularly at the bottom of the display where the chin is situated. So they are expected to remove the chin completely by applying a curved OLED display similar to Apple and push the chin in the actual bottom bezel, and also reducing the top bezel by removing the earpiece with the help of their new sound emitting display technology that they announced at SIT Display Week. With the implementation of this new tech, there will be no need of the earpiece earpiece so that Samsung will be able to eliminate bezels by removing the earpiece and making the design even more sexy. Here, a traditional design and an edge-to-edge design. Right at the bottom part of the display, we will have our ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. In a nutshell, this whole in-display fingerprint scanner, 21 degrees Celsius and low minus 32 degrees Celsius temperature test. The Samsung unbreakable panel continued to function normally with no damage to its front, sides or edges. Even with a 6 feet drop test, which was significantly higher than the US military standard, Samsung display's unbreakable panel operated normally with no signs of damage. That is some insane level of durability right there. And a plastic window which has similar hardness to a glass but it's much lighter, and this is the main thing that gives this panel its unbreakable level. So according to UL, the unbreakable display deployed by Samsung Display has passed the rigorous real-time durability test that is based on the military standards set by the US Department of Defense after a drop test administered at 1.2 meters, which is nearly 4 feet above the ground 26 times in succession, and accompanying high phones to supercomputers and even in plane cockpits. If Samsung decided to use this GPU with Galaxy S10 and combine with its rumored 4K infinity bezel-less display, it could become a VR gaming powerhouse. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and why not subscribe to the channel for future content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.